Let me tell you how people used to build websites. Option 1. You pay a developer a few hundred to $1,000. Wait weeks, get something back that doesn't quite look how you imagined it. And every time you want to change one word, you pay again. Option 2. You try to learn HTML yourself. 2 months of tutorials, constant frustration, something that looks like it was made in 2003, and then you give up. Option 3. A website builder. Monthly subscription, fighting with templates, ends up looking exactly like someone else's website. None of those are good options, and honestly, none of them are necessary anymore. There's a tool called Claude Code, made by Anthropic, the same company behind Claude AI. It builds real working websites from plain English descriptions. You describe what you want, it writes the code, you get a website. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works. 5 steps, about 30 minutes, completely free to start. I'm Mario, let's get into it. So what actually is Claude Code? It's an AI that lives inside a Claude desktop app on your computer. Not a website builder where you click and drag things. Not a template you fill in. An AI that writes actual code for you, from scratch, based on what you describe in plain English. A few years ago, building a website meant learning 3 different coding languages: HTML, CSS, JavaScript. With Claude Code, you don't need to know any of that. You just need to know what you want your website to say, what sections you want, roughly what you want it to look like. Type that in plain English. Claude reads it, and in about 60 seconds it creates the files that make up a real website, writing every single line of code automatically. And then, if you want to change anything, you just say so. Change the color, add a section, make the text bigger. Claude updates the website instantly. No code editing, just conversation. Before the steps, here's what you need. A computer, Mac or Windows, both work. A Claude account, free at claude.ai. A paid Claude plan, Pro at $20 a month. That's what unlocks Claude Code. The Claude desktop app, free download at claude.ai/download. And a free Netlify account for hosting, netlify.com. That's it. No domain purchase, no expensive software, no technical knowledge. The only cost is the $20 Claude plan. And if you've been putting off having a website for years, $20 to build the whole thing is not a bad trade. 5 steps. Let me walk you through each one of them. Step number 1. Open Claude Code. Download the desktop app, open it, click the Code tab at the top. It asks you to choose a folder. Create one called My Website and select it. That's where everything gets built. Step number 2. Describe your website. Just type what you want in plain English. What is it for? What sections? What it should look like. The more specific you are, the better the results. I'll put a copy-paste prompt in the description so you have somewhere to start. Step number 3. Watch it build. Claude starts creating files in your folder one by one. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, everything the website needs. You watch the files appearing in real time. About 60 seconds and you have a complete working website. Step 4. preview and refine. Claude opens your website in a browser so you can see it. Then you just tell it what to change. Make it blue, add service section, bigger font on mobile. Claude updates it instantly. Keep going until it's exactly right. Step number 5, go live with Netlify. Go to netlify.com, sign up for free. You'll see a drag and drop area on your dashboard. Drag your project folder into it, drop it. 30 seconds later, Netlify gives you a real live URL. Your website is on the internet. That's the whole process. 5 steps, about 30 minutes total. From nothing to a real live website. Quick thing, because this makes a real difference. The quality of what Claude Code builds depends on how specific your prompt is. Most people write build me a website and get something generic. The trick, think about it like briefing a designer. Tell Claude who the website is for, what sections you need, what the design should feel like, colors, vibe, tone. Bad prompt, build me a website. Good prompt, build me a personal website for a freelance photographer. Homepage with a big hero image, portfolio grid, about section and contact form. Black and white, minimal, modern and mobile friendly. More detail up front, better first version. Less time refining, better result. And if the first version still isn't right, just keep talking to Claude. There's no limit on changes. A personal website is just a starting point. Once you know how this works, you can build a lot more. A portfolio, a small business website, a landing page for an idea you want to test. A CV website that looks 100 times better than a PDF. A booking page, a contact page, the process is identical every time. Describe it, refine it, deploy it. And the second website you build takes half the time. Because you already know the steps. You just change the description. Everything you need is in the description below. The Claude download link, Netlify, and a copy-paste prompt to get you started. If you want to go deeper with Claude Code, full video linked below. Subscribe if this was useful. I make exactly this kind of video every day. And drop a comment. What are you building? A personal page, a business website, something else? I want to know. I read every single comment. See you in the next one.